Brother Ben here. Brother Ben. Now, Ben got a heck of a program. A lot of people listening to Brother Ben. And Ben tells them about the minister. And Ben tells them about the minister.
There are different groups, if you will. We got the power call, we got the master call, we got the closing the gap. How do we manage it and make sure that we keep away from the gang mentality, the clique mentality, making sure that we're not setting up subgroups within the nation? We're already a nation within a nation. How do we protect ourselves from doing something that may not be pleasing to the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan?
One of the things he talked about for me, because especially when everything was shut down and we wasn't at the mosque, everybody had a Zoom meeting. The balanced positive side is the minister loved it because, again, remember Saviors Day 2021, we had our first ever all virtual Saviors Day. And the minister loved the fact that we had the various workshops, everybody couldn't attend it. We had people on panels who never been a part of it. And believers started utilizing the platforms in so many creative ways. So much greatness has come out of it. And the minister said God did it that way for Saviors Day 2021 because he said he wanted to show us what we haven't really used. So on that, it's the blessing that we have these various pockets of things that are going on because it's billions of people on the planet. The other side of this is everybody has to search the heart. What's our motive for it? Are we really want our own attention? Or are we really raising this up for the nation and the man of God? Only we know that. And it will be shown based upon the results of it. Search our hearts. Work on our hearts and purify our hearts. If you're doing it out of bitterness and disgruntledness, you're not going to last long at all. At the end of the day, Allah is going to expose it. But if your heart is pure and your motive is pure, He'll bless you.
And Ben tells them about the minister.